Hi guys, and welcome back to my Vlogmas makeup challenge. On today's video we are going to play with this beautiful Juvia Plays the Masquerade mini palette. And because it doesn't have a mirror, I thought I will introduce my new friend. And to make more fun this challenge, I thought I will use a random number generator to pick 5 shades, because I never did a palette bingo so far, even though I wanted so much to do this with some of my palettes. So I've already opened the random number generator and we are going to pick 5 shades. The palette has 20 shades and there will be number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. We are entering here the minimum 1 and the maximum 20. The first is the number 9. Second, number 20. Number 11 is the third choice. The number 4 is the number 2. And the fifth is number 8. Those are the colors that we are going to work with on our bingo makeup challenge. Just for your reference, I will also link down below on the description box. Today I'm wearing the Nars Tinted Moisturiser and the Power Play Concealer by Cover FX. And I have set everything with my number 7, how is it called, Airbrush Away Translucent Finishing Powder. And now let's go ahead and get some work done. So this is going to be a really warm, spicy look. And now the moment that I was waiting for this video is to try this Max Factor False Lash Effect Primer. Oh, so it's really blue and has a very spiky kind of a brush. One thing I can say that it doesn't add too much product, so let's try to, yeah, all the time with a new mascara or new lash products, try to swirl it a bit on the tube, because at the first opening you might not get enough product. Going back with Mr. Big, which suddenly it's a bit not dried but thick. It's already thick on me. I feel like the primer has helped to separate and curl my lashes. It's not offering that much of a volume, but it does help with separating the lashes. And I'm saying that because this Lancome mascara is usually clumping a bit my lashes. So after I've applied on the top of the Max Factor primer, I feel that they are a bit more separated. I think we are going to have a good friendship together. And by the way, this is my final eye makeup look. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you again on my next Vlogmas challenge video. Bye bye!